Alrighty, folks. We have received the GMA graded cards. It has arrived. It's time to open it. And let's see what Mr. Stacker received for his first ever graded batch sent out. They would have gone to PSA, but PSA was just not open. And I've been picking up a few GMA cards lately, and I thought, you know what? This is a pretty cool service. Let me try it out. And I did. So let's see how they delivered. All right. All right, they're, whoops, they're in another box. Okay, moment of truth. I'm so excited. Of course, they're gonna like, oh, so dumb. Okay, there's 10 right there. Let's see, I don't want to flip it over just yet. We'll do it this way. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, folks, are we ready? Are we ready? Let's see what we got. First one is a 10. Heck yeah, 1997 GMA 10. That's a good one. First one to pull it out, and I get a 10. That's what I'm talking about. All right, the second one, what do we got? Boom, we got an 8.5. All right, I'll take it. 8.5 is doing pretty good. There we go. What's next? We got ourselves a 9 for the 1990. Oh, I got 2 of these now. Cool. So we got a 10 and a 9. I'm gonna have to take these under the microscope and see what's the difference. We'll see. But we got ourselves a 9 and a 10 so far. This is the one that I really need to know what's a good. Come on, baby. Give me something good here. What do we got? Dun, 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 dun. An 8.5. Nice. This literally just sold on eBay for $2,500. I'll take it. I haven't seen a 10. Maybe they don't give out 10s on those ones. We'll see. The next one we got, dun, 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 a 7.5. Ooh, that was ugly. All right. What did I do wrong here? I eyed these ones, guys. I didn't have my magnifying glass, so we'll see how that turned out. Dun, 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 dun. An 8. All right, for the Stadium Club, 92. No problema. I'll take it. Number 23, we got a 10. Yeah. I'll take it. 92, number 10. That's beautiful. All right, what do we got here? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, 6. Ooh, disgusting. How did I do that? I actually have another one that I believe is going to be a 10, so we're going to send that one in and see if I can get a better grade on that one. All right, what do we got here? Dun, 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 dun. A 9. I'll take it. A 92 tops. A 9. Let's go. Ooh, last one. Best one. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. An 8. I'll take it. We got 2 10s, my friends. 2 10s. We'll take it. 2 10s out of here. We got ourselves about a $2,500 card with this 8.5 right here. I like it. Some 9s, 8s. Beautiful. All right. I'm actually calling this a win. Big win here. All right. What did you guys think? Put in the comments. What are your thoughts? Did we do well? Did we make some hits? Let me know. Oh, I'm so sad for that one. I'm very sad. But it's okay. Because this alone is paying for everything. All right. We'll see you guys in the next video. Mr. Stacker out.